Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. 1. Listen to the story without translation. 2. Listen to the story again with the translation turned on. 3. Answer some questions. Omar wakes up before sunrise. His wife, Amina, is in the kitchen preparing food. The house is quiet. Their children are still asleep.
Adam, wake up.
Omar says softly.
It's time for suhoor.
They sit at the table. There are dates, warm bread, and a pot of tea, and other tasty food. They eat their suhoor together. After eating, Omar and Adam go to the sink.
I will teach you how to make wudu.
Omar says. Adam copies him. They smile.
Now we are ready to pray.
They go to the mosque. The mosque is quiet and peaceful. After prayer, they walk home. The streets are empty, but Ramadan lanterns glow in the dark. The day passes slowly. Omar goes to work. He feels thirsty, but does not drink.
Fasting teaches us patience.
He reminds himself. After work, he sees a homeless man sitting on the street. Omar gives him some money as charity. The man smiles.
May Allah bless you.
At home, the kids are studying and their mother, Amina, is cooking. Layla, their older sister, helps her too. The house smells of warm soup and fresh bread and different foods. After cooking, Amina teaches her kids stories about the prophets. During Ramadan, this is even more special, as it is a time for worship, reflection, and learning about religion. In the other room, the father is reading the Quran with his son to earn rewards from Allah. The sun begins to set, and they set the table before the adhan plays. The father has invited his friend for iftar because Ramadan is a time for sharing and unity. After dinner, they clean the kitchen. Omar and Adam walk to the mosque again. Tarawih prayer begins. Omar feels peace in his heart. Later that night, the family sits together. They drink tea and chat. Ramadan is a month of faith, kindness, and family. And tomorrow, they will do it all again. Ramadan Mubarak, my dear friends. Don't forget to rewatch the video with subtitles turned on to improve your understanding and language skills.
Now we will listen to 3 simple questions to check your understanding of the story, and then we will review some vocabulary. Try to answer these questions in the comments. 1. Where do Omar and Adam go to pray? 2. What do the family do together at night? 3. Does Omar go to work during Ramadan?
Fasting, fasting. Religion, religion. Worship, worship. Charity, charity. Help, help. Sharing, sharing. Lanterns, lanterns. Suhoor, suhoor. Dawn, dawn. Call to prayer. Mosque, mosque. Prayer, prayer. Pray, pray. Quran, Quran. Reading the Quran, reading the Quran. Ablution, ablution. Wudu, wudu. Sink, sink. Breaking the fast, breaking the fast. Iftar, iftar. Dates, dates. Prophet, prophet. Peace, peace. Patience, patience. Kindness, kindness. Rewards, rewards. Sunrise, sunrise. Sunset, sunset. Thirsty, thirsty. Hungry, hungry. Great job, everyone! You've learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.